today, Mercer University's faculty and students installed fish habitats in partnership with the Macon Water Authority. The project is focused on improving the lake's ecological balance. 41 NBC's Brianna Sheffield was there and has more.
Mercer University biology professor Craig Byron says prior research conducted at the lake showed an overpopulation of predator species, causing declines in lower-level predator populations and largemouth bass.
Was brought into this project 2 years ago by the Macon Water Authority, looking for a biologist to collaborate with them to study the various bass species that are in the lake and try to help understand a hunch that some people might have about the largemouth bass population not being as strong, or maybe diminishing even over time, as a result of the spotted bass and the striped bass populations.
Adeline Burek is the assistant professor of the Civil and Environmental Engineering program at Mercer University. She says these fish habitats are mainly working for minnows and crayfish.
And it's so that they have a place to breed and hide from some of those bigger fish and hopefully repopulate, so that way the lake doesn't die off. We can bring more fishing in and kind of bring the lake back to life a little bit more.
Byron says he and his team have studied many largemouth and spotted bass and shares what they found.
And our data kind of indicated that some measures of health, like their mass for their body length and some organ masses, seem to kind of put them in a different, the data are very preliminary, but they suggested, in fact, what people have said is that the largemouth bass are being outcompeted by the spotted bass.
Burek explains why they're doing this project.
We want to make sure the lake stays habited and keeps the ecosystem, or else it's just going to slowly degrade. And we want to make sure we're keeping it up, and not just for the Water Authority and keeping water in Macon, but also for the sports fishing and different things in the area.
Craig says he hopes the work they're doing is creating additional habitat that would be successful for largemouth bass, while being mindful it's going to be successful for spotted bass.
You don't really know where it's going to lead till you start studying it, so we're going to be getting the structures into the water this week, and then it'll be a long-term project where we're kind of sampling from these structures to kind of see how things might change through time.
This effort represents an ongoing partnership between Mercer University and the Macon Water Authority that blends environmental research, youth education, and community collaboration. In Macon, Brianna Sheffield, 41 NBC News.
Now, the professor says the structures are built from durable plastic cistern panels, typically used for in-ground rainwater storage, and are designed to simulate natural breeding environments.